What's up everyone? I hope you're all doing well. Millions of people use WhatsApp every day. However, not everyone can keep up with all the new features that the developers keep adding. A lot of it goes under the radar more often than not. So in this one, we'll be looking at 5 WhatsApp tips and tricks that you probably didn't know about. I have a part 1 with even more features, so you can watch that video when you're done with this one. Links will be in the description. Without any further ado, let's get started. I hardly ever get to see anyone using different formats to present their messages differently. However, with the combination of bold and italic styles, you can put emphasis on particular words in your messages on WhatsApp. To write in bold, add an asterisk before and after the text. To write in italics, add an underscore before and after the text. To strike through, add a tilde before and after the text. Turning on disappearing messages will make any new messages in a chat disappear after 7 days. The messages can still be saved elsewhere, so you should always keep that in mind. You can learn a lot more about disappearing messages in a separate video I made, but for this one, I'll just be showing you how to use the feature or how to turn it on. So just click on the person's name at the top of a chat and then scroll down until you see disappearing messages and toggle it to on. WhatsApp allows you to send photos and videos to contacts as well as share a contact or document, but you can also send your location. This is very handy if you're meeting a friend somewhere, especially if you opt for share live location, which allows your contact to see your live location for the duration that you select. Durations are set at 15 minutes, 1 hour and 8 hours. To turn it on, just go to a specific chat, tap on the paperclip to the right of the message box, go to location and then share live location. You'll be prompted to select the time frame and you're good to go. WhatsApp allows you to personalize your chats by changing your wallpaper. You can change your wallpaper for all chats or set a wallpaper for a specific chat. You can also set 2 different wallpapers specific to dark or light modes, and I'll be showing you how to do this. So first, go to settings, chats, chat wallpaper. Alternatively, you can open a chat, tap on the 3-dot menu and select wallpaper. Tap on change, select a wallpaper category, select the image that you want to use as your wallpaper, and this will be your default when your phone is on light mode. Once you have the set, turn on night mode on your phone, go back to WhatsApp, go to settings, chat wallpaper, select a dark wallpaper category, then select the image that you want to use as your wallpaper. Now you'll have 2 dynamic wallpapers that change depending on whether your phone is on dark mode or not. WhatsApp has made it easy to manage what is taking up storage on your device. Not only can you see which chats take up the most storage, but you can also see which files are larger than 5 MB and which files have been forwarded multiple times. For this, go to Settings, Storage and Data, Manage Storage. Under the Review and Delete Items section, you can click on either larger than 5 MB tab and then select what you want to delete. As with individual chats, you can sort by tapping on the circle in the bottom left corner. That's been it for this one. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. You can also check out more tips from my other video which will be linked in the description. Subscribe for more informative content like this one, and until the next one, I'm out. Cheers.